Hi friend, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee and as you all know I'm a booktuber and I'm making video on this book. The name of this book is The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. And friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I'm doing is that I'm making each and every topic on each and every video so you can understand it in a better way. And friends, what I'm doing is that I'm giving number to each and every video. So if you come sequence wise 1, 2, 3, 4, you'll understand it in a better way. Apart from seeing 18 video, 20 video, 43 video, there is quite possibility that you get confused friends, okay? And friends, if you have any doubt, you can directly ask me in the comment section because I do see the comments and I give answer to each and every comments, friends. Okay. And friends, you can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee1906. So we'll spell it for you, friends. Okay. It's ABHIMANYUBHATTACHARJEE1906. And friends, before proceeding further, I would like to tell you do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon so whenever I update a new video, you'll get the notification, friends. Okay. So friends, in our last video, I've covered the topic called summary of your aids to health. This topic I've covered, friends. Okay. And friends, in our today's video, I'm going to start a new chapter, and the name of the chapter is Practical Technique in Mental Healing. This is the name of the chapter. So, friends, this is 57 number video, and the topic is Practical Technique in Mental Healing. So, let us see what the author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic, friends. Okay. An engineer has a technique and a process for building a bridge or an engine. So, your author Joseph Murphy is telling that engineer has a process of building a bridge or an engine. Like the engineer, your mind also has a technique for governing. So, controlling and directing your life. So, your author Joseph Murphy is telling, like an engineer, our mind also have a technique for governing, controlling, and directing our life, friends. Okay. You must realize that methods and techniques are primary. So, the author Joseph Murphy is telling that we must always realize that this method are always the primary methods. In building the Golden Gate Bridge, the chief engineer understood mathematical principle. So, the author Joseph Murphy is telling in when the Golden Gate Bridge was built, the chief engineer understood the mathematical principle, stress and strain, and also the stress and strains. Secondly, he had a picture of the ideal bridge across the bay. So, the author Joseph Murphy is telling he also had the picture of the ideal bridge of the bay, across the bay. The third step was his implications of tried and proven method by which the principle were implemented until the bridge took form and we drive on it. So, and the third method was by implementing the method and by proving that method which were implemented by the engineer and the which architect was designed, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. There also are technique and method by which your prayers are answered. So, your author Joseph Murphy is telling in the same way there are certain technique and method in which our prayer is being answered. So, if we ask any prayer to the subconscious mind, and our subconscious mind will answer those prayers. But to ask, there is a certain method, friends. Okay, if your prayer is answered, there is a way in which it is answered. So, and this is a scientific way. So, here author Joseph Murphy is telling if our prayer is answered, so there is a way in which our prayer is answered, and it is a scientific way. So, here basically, friends, Joseph Murphy is trying to explain us that whenever a engineer builds a bridge, there is a science behind that. In the same way, whenever we ask anything to God or our subconscious mind, there is a science behind that, and with that science only we get the answers back, friends. Okay, so it's a scientific way and it's a scientific process, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic, friends. Okay, nothing happens by chance. This is a world of law and order. So your author Joseph Murphy is telling nothing happens by chance. This is the world of law and order, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us on this topic. In this chapter, you will find practical technique for the unfolding and nurture of the spiritual life. So, your author Joseph Murphy is telling in this chapter, we are going to find a practical technique of unfolding and nurturing our spiritual life, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. Your prayer must not remain up in the air like a balloon. So, your author Joseph Murphy is telling our prayer must not be in the air like a balloon, friends. Okay, they must go somewhere and accomplish something in your life. So, the author Joseph Murphy is telling they should go somewhere in our life and accomplish something in our life, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. When we come to analyze prayer, we discover there are many different approaches and methods. So, author Joseph Murphy is telling, when we come to analyze the prayer, when the prayer is being analyzed, that we discover there are many different approaches and many different methods, friends. Okay, we will not consider in this book the formal rituals prayer used in religious services. So, author Joseph Murphy is telling, in this book we are not going to consider the prayers and the rituals and formal method which are used in the ritual services, friends. Okay, religious services, religious rituals and services, this have important place in group of worship. So, author Joseph Murphy is telling, this all things have the important place in the group of worship. We are immediately concerned with the method of personal prayer as it is applied in your daily life and as it is used to help others. So, author Joseph Murphy is telling, we will be considering the methods of the prayer which is being amplified in our daily life and which is being used in the prayers, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. Prayer is a formulation of an idea concerning something we wish to accomplish. So, author Joseph Murphy is telling, prayer is a formulation of a certain idea which concerning the method to accomplish it. So, it is basically a technique to accomplish our all the methods, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. Prayer is a soul sincere and desire. So here author Joseph Murphy is telling, prayer is soul sincere desire. Your desire is your prayer. So your author Joseph Murphy is telling, our desire is our prayer. It comes out of your deepest needs and it reveals the thing you want in life. So your author Joseph Murphy is telling, our prayer comes from the deepest need in our life and reveals us whatever we want in our life, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us on this topic. Blessed are they that hunger and thirst after righteousness. So your author Joseph Murphy is telling, blessed are they, those who have hunger and the thirst and also the righteousness, for they shall be filled. For they it shall be filled, friends. Okay, that's the really prayer. So it is really prayer, friends. Okay, so life's hunger and thirst for peace and harmony, health, joy, and all other blessing for life. So, your author Joseph Murphy is telling, real prayer is like life's hungers and the thirst of the peace and harmony, health and joy. So, whoever have hunger and thirst for peace, harmony, health, and joy, and all the other blessing of life, friends. Okay, so it is the actual prayer, so which author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. So, friends, in our today's topic, I've covered the concept called practical technique in mental healing. This concept I've covered, friends. Okay, and friends, in our next topic, I'm going to cover the concept called the passing over technique for impregnating the subconscious. This topic I'm going to cover, friends. Okay, so friends, this topic came to an end and I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care. I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, friends. Okay, and I will be meeting you in the next video.